Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can create your profile in LinkedIn. So let's get started. First you need to go to the LinkedIn website and here's the link. I'm going to hit enter and I will be getting this page, and here I'm going to click on join now. And here to create a profile I will just put my email here. Now I'm going to put my password here. I'm going to click on agree and join, and here I'm going to put my name and the last name as well, and click on continue. And now here I'm going to select my country. It will ask for the postal code, and here I'm going to add the postal code. I'm going to click on next, and here you can write the most recent job you are working on right now. If you are a student, you can select on I'm a student as well. And here I'm going to put the recent job title. I'm going to select the freelance video editor, and here I'll be selecting the employment time, freelance, and here click on continue. And here it will ask you for the confirmation code that is sent to your email. Now let's get to my Gmail account. I'm going to copy this code, or you can click on the confirm your email. I'm just copying this code and place it here. I'm going to click on agree and confirm. And here it will ask you some questions. Are you looking for a job? So yes, I'm actively looking for a job right now. I'm going to click on next. It will ask you what kind of job you are looking for. I'll be adding the video editing. This is just a demo. You can add any job you want. I'll be adding the job location as well. If you can do the remote jobs, you can also check on this option that I'm open to remote work. I'm going to click on this one and hit next. I'm going to click on next again. By enabling this option, this will help the recruiters to find you. And again, I'm going to click on next. If you want to install the app on your mobile phone, you can use this QR code. I'm going to click next. You need to follow some of this, so I will follow the LinkedIn news and click on next. Now to go to your profile, you just need to click on this icon here and click on the view profile. You can add more information by completing these steps, and here you can add the industry, you can add your profile picture, and here you can add your education and skill and add summary for your previous work. So that's how you can create your profile in LinkedIn. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.